A wearable computer may sound like the standard accessory for a character in a high-tech sci-fi film about space or alternative universes. Still, we can assure you that that is simply no longer the case. Augmented reality is going to exist in our lives, and soon. Who better to steer the ship on augmented reality and wearable computers than the god of technology itself, Apple? The notoriously private company has a set of smart glasses in the works, also referred to as Apple Glass. We can thank multiple leaks and tidbits for all the information that we have on what is sure to be everyone's favorite new iGadget. Now let's talk about the release date, price, and features of the soon-to-be smart specs. Release date. When are these smart eyeglasses hitting the shelves? While the project is definitely in some stage of development at the moment, it's hard to speculate exactly when these specs will be released into the market. Here are a few of the projections from trusted sources on everything related to secret Apple releases. First things first, you're likely not going to be wearing Apple's smart glasses anytime soon. In case you haven't noticed, Apple just released what seems to be its complete 2020 tech lineup, which includes the iPhone 12, the Apple Watch 6, and AirPods Studio. It's safe to say that Apple's vision for a release date is a bit blurry and not entirely in focus. However, experts on the topic have a few ideas related to when Apple will likely launch the new spectacles. One reliable analyst claims that Apple Glass is likely to hit the market as soon as the dreaded year 2020 turns into the hopeful year of 2021. However, other speculations date the glasses to release in 2022 or even as late as 2023. Bloomberg's report suggests that there is no possible way these glasses will arrive before 2023, and we can see why. There are many different functions within the glasses to develop. For example, the patented glass has to be functionally respectful to the purpose of prescription glasses while also allowing for augmented reality and on-demand computing. Then, of course, there is the computing itself. Apple has to create the code and applications to run correctly within the operating system associated with the glasses. As far as we know, Apple is past the prototype stage on their newest tech revolution and has moved on to trials. Whenever they finally ship, we can't wait to get our hands on a pair. Price. We all love Apple, but the top tech giant is known for their hefty price tags. It's hard to imagine what a revolutionary product such as augmented glasses will cost, but we can look at some existing data to speculate. Let's begin with Apple's glasses' likely competitors. Apple's sworn enemy, Microsoft, already created a functioning pair of smart glasses named HoloLens 2. If you haven't heard of them, don't be surprised. They cost a cool $3,500, likely because the entire AR experience is built into the headset. The good news is that Apple glasses will likely rely on a supportive computing system, such as an iPhone, to decrease the required amount of hardware significantly. There's also Vuzix Blade glasses, which will set you back almost $800. The Vuzix Blade is more like Apple Glass in the sense that it relies on Alexa integration to assist with the computing capabilities and features. At the moment, it seems like Apple Glass is going to cost consumers around $499 plus the cost of their prescription. It's surprising to see Apple enter the market without being the most expensive. However, there's likely a good reason for this. They aren't the first to create new technology, but they are masters of user-friendly interfaces and understand their consumers perfectly. Also, much like the AirPods and Apple Watch, Apple Glass is ultimately created as an accessory to the iPhone, so an insanely high price will not fare well for a supportive device. Features of the Apple Glasses. Alright, time for the real question. What can it do? In a nutshell, the Apple AR glasses will take the information from your iPhone and display it right in front of your face. The eyewear is expected to sync with your iPhone to display messages, texts, emails, games, and maps within your field of vision. Just as exciting, Apple is planning to dedicate and launch a third-party app store, much like those for the Apple TV and Apple Watch. This will undoubtedly ensure a seamless interaction between third-party apps and the glasses, while also creating a satisfying user experience. Some experts mention that the glasses may not require a prescription, as they automatically correct the image being presented to the wearer. However, this is highly speculated, and most agree that this feature seems more appropriate for a second or future generation of the Apple glasses. One of the most exciting speculated features is the glasses' capability to allow users to teleport digitally. Much like Google's Street View, the wearer would be able to project faraway locations directly onto the Apple Glass, thus creating an immersive augmented reality experience. There are also talks of a feature that lets you see better in the dark. Even though we can only speculate all of the finer details related to the Apple glasses at the moment, we know one thing is for sure: we will not be disappointed. Apple may take more time to introduce their newest gadgets into the market, but they rarely disappoint. We can't wait to get our hands on a pair when the new specs hit the shelves. Do you want to own a pair of Apple glasses? Type yes or no in the comments below. Also, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.